My name's Iqbal Shergill. I'm a urological surgeon here in Wrexham Male Hospital, part of Betsy Cadwaladr University Health Board, and I'm the clinical director of North Wales Clinical Research Centre. The North Wales Clinical Research Centre essentially gives all staff in Betsy Cadwaladr a real opportunity to do cutting-edge research, be it clinical research or basic science research in North Wales. We've got state-of-the-art laboratories here which have got excellent facilities which will allow the staff to do this research. So importantly, the state-of-the-art equipment that we've got here in North Wales Clinical Research Centre is basically going to allow us to make earlier diagnosis, screen and even monitor patients with cancer, as well as non-cancerous conditions such as diabetes, neurological conditions and like ear, nose and throat conditions, for example. So as a urological surgeon here in Wrexham and Betsy Cadwaladr, we've been trying to be at the forefront of research and innovation ever since I started here in April 2010. In terms of research, we've done obviously the basic science research and we're going to continue that. In terms of the clinical research, we've actually been involved in national trials, and one such trial was for prostate cancer diagnosis, and that was called the PROMISE trial. And basically we were the only centre in Wales for that, and we showed that using MRI scans before any biopsies in men was much more beneficial to patients. So at the North Wales Clinical Research Centre, we've been very fortunate in terms of the facilities we've got here because we've been able to attract staff, and one of the examples have been the academic fellows, which are based in Wales Deanery, and nationally there were two fellows in Cardiff, one in Swansea, and then we managed to have a fourth fellow in North Wales, and I think mainly and primarily because of the facilities we've got here. So Dr. Christopher Bell, he started, so he's completed his first 4 months. The next doctor is Dr. Sasha Moore, he's now commenced his research as well. And then finally Dr. Amrit Gill, she'll be working in the last 4 months. And essentially they've been doing studies on urological cancer, in terms of prostate cancer diagnosis, bladder cancer, but also non-cancer diagnosis as well, such as kidney stones and treatments available for kidney stones. What we feel is with the North Wales Clinical Research Centre is that that will provide a real attractive proposition to doctors, senior doctors, junior doctors, as well as non-medical staff as well, to come to Wrexham, come to North Wales, come to Betsy Cadwaladr and partake in research and use all the facilities that are available in North Wales, and hopefully then we can retain them in